Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations. I hope you can hear me. The air conditioner is going on. And I have 2 crochet societies and a Instagram shop haul that I did. So I'm going to start with the crochet society. So I'm going to show you what I got, I believe. So it's always nicely wrapped, which I love. And what we got in here is Kaleidoscope DK 100 grams, and let's pull that up there so you guys can see. It's 100% acrylic. Let's see here, US knitting needles, what, 4 to 6 looks like. So there's that. I got 2 skeins of that. Next thing I got, of course, was the pretty stitch markers they always seem to have, and that's the flower. And looks like they gave us a crochet handy storage, so that's always nice. You can put it on your table like that, and you put your hooks in there, which is nice, like that, I guess, or something like that. And this is a 3.75 hook. Oh, this is blurry. There we go. 3.75 hook. Look how pretty that is. And we got these here. I think these are for gauging. And the sizes of the conversion charts. So that's how they go. And I believe, there we go. So that's pretty neat. And they gave you some stickers to put on your box here. And it looks like they have it for this. I love the charts that they put on here, and this is design your own fillet pattern, but yeah, so I love this fillet hearts. I would love to try these. Aren't they beautiful? And that's what they have, the hooks. Isn't that beautiful? Kaleidoscope shawl, designed by Lisa Cook, and that's her Instagram. So that is for this month. Put you on pause and I'll show you the other box I got. And then they got taped up here with paper. Ooh, I can tell it's going to be some kind of stuffy because they put some of that in there, some fibers. But look at this beautiful, it's called Charm Chunky, and that is gorgeous. 85% acrylic, 5% mohair, 10% wool, made in Turkey. Color is Mystic. And there's the hook size, the needle size. And look how beautiful this is. Oh, this is so beautiful. That is gorgeous. And then this beautiful one, Charm Chunky. And the color on this is Alchemy. And 85% acrylic, 5% mohair, 10% wool. Look at those beautiful colors. Aren't those beautiful? And then let's see what this is. I love playing with yarn. Isn't that cute? I'm not sure what it is. Maybe for your hooks or something? Just takes off. Maybe a water bottle? That's really cool. I like it. Isn't that cute? And the crochet hook is a 5.5. Looks like we have some eyes. So I can tell it's an amigurumi of some sort. There we go. Heads, that's cute. Kitty ice cream cone. Stitch marker. Kitty pin. And what is this? And we got this here. Measurements. Oh, I see. Cheeker. Yarn weight checker. Excuse me, cheeker. Yarn weight checker. Oh, that is super duper cool. I like that. And looks like they got this here. Let's see. This. Isn't that cute? Like a little kitty cat. Different types of yarn. And looks like we got this Marjorie cowl by Jessica Carey, and Instagram is the period hook period nook. And I love that cowl. That is beautiful. Well, that's gonna be a tough one to make, isn't it? And this is a hydrated, so that is a water bottle designed for yarn lovers. How cool is that? Oh, I love it. So it looks like it's a dress a drawstring bag. Very cool. Well, if I have enough left over, I may make that. I'm thinking about making this cowl. Wow, that is super cool. All right, so that's my unboxing for my other box that I got. So I like to order from Happy Crafter Shop, which I've shown quite a bit of her products on my channel. So she had 2 kits for sale. I can't remember how much they were, but this is a mini bee theme kit, and it has the bee paper on it. And I love the bee theme. And she gives you what's in the kit and what I paid. So yeah, they were $12 a piece, and then I got 25 piece beads that were kind of Halloweenish. So let's put this down so you guys can see. I love how she wraps it in tissue and says thank you for supporting small businesses. And I fell in love with this bee theme. It is so cute. So the first thing I got was some cute hearts and this cute bear, honey bear. Let me open it up. My nails are getting in the way, and I severely need to go get them taken care of before I go. Not a bad price for $12, but it's like a bead. Isn't that adorable? Thought that was cute. We got some Chanel type yarn. And we got some plastic bales, beads and honey, and a flower. And then some more. A little clip, like a lobster, well, I don't know what you call it. It's for a keychain. And then we got some of these. We put some plastic bales on those. And then some bows, some really cute beads. And then we got some butterflies, or is that bees? I can't tell. So we got some of those. And then we got some flowers, some pom-poms, a bee, really, really cute. Some more flowers you could put the plastic bales on. Looks like we got some beads here. Oh, they're disc beads. And then the bows. And then we got some more bows. Aren't those cute? So that is my box for this. What a great deal I got. This Happy Crafter Shop mini bead theme kit. I think the Halloween one. And I love it. Look at that. So well taken care of. And it says, thank you for supporting small businesses, Happy Crafter Shop. And Happy Crafter Shop, that's her Instagram. So, and this one is Halloween. So I got these super duper cute butterflies. I think they're butterflies, right? And then these meat cleavers charms. So there was 2 of them in there. And then this is part of the kit here. So this is what I bought extra. Oops. Were these beads here. Oh my gosh. So, really. So, oh, I see there's holes everywhere. But see, these are the beads I purchased, and they have the pumpkins and everything else. I was thinking tassels, pins, you know, maybe pokey tools. So I like that. And here's part of the kit. Get this opened up. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We got these resin pieces, pumpkins, ghosts, really cute. Haunted house, a bat, pumpkin. It's like a skeleton of some sort. Stars. Oops. And some green hearts. Or is that leaves? Maybe a leaf. Orange pumpkin beads. And some hearts. Purple hearts. Some more of these beautiful beads. And then we have some orange ones, some hearts, and this cute, looks like a pendant, maybe necklace, or whatever you want to do with that. You also use a tassel and connect that. But it has a haunted house and everything in it. So I forgot to show one more item on my Instagram that I purchased. And look what the sticker says. It says, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. Isn't that a cute bag? I think that's adorable. So I'm going to open it up real quick because, like I said, I forgot to add it to my other one. So put it in a Ziploc bag. So I got these. beads, different types of beads. And it looks like the bag popped open. So there we go. So let me put on pause real quick. So yeah, these are the beads, and I got 2 of them. So one opened up, they got the bones, the skull, everything else in there. And the next thing I got were these cute bows, Halloweenish. There's a bat on there. Sorry for the glare. So I can do some crafting. And then I ordered 2 packages of these here. And I believe these are, I don't remember, binding of some sort. That people use material and they bind it up on their sewing machine. And I got 2 packages of those. So I want to open it up, but that's those with the ghosts. And I got these ones here. Super cute. And I'll link her Instagram shop down below. It's something ghouls, I can't remember. But I will, like I said, I will link her channel down below. Doesn't have her name on here. So, alright everyone. That is it. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, and as always, God bless.